Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open Instagram and tap on top right 3 lines. Now here you have to click on Account Center. After, scroll down and click on your information and permissions. After, click on Download Transfer Information. Now here, you have to select any account. Now again, click on All Available Information. After that, click on Next. After that, you have to select 1 week. Now tap on Create File. Now you will get all your draft videos through your email. Thanks for watching this video.